Okay, so we're back. And I got a tablecloth for the table. I have one outfit on the mannequin. And we are in the process of getting all of this stuff put away. But first we need to go through everything and figure out what we have, what we don't have, and finish getting this place decorated so it can be presentable for potential customers. I have help. Say hello, help. It's my mom. She came to help me get all of this stuff situated. So here we go. Okay, so this is how many boxes we emptied today. So I can say we made a lot of progress. We got some shoes up on the shoe rack. We got some bags on the bag chandelier. We have all of the jeans hung up. We have all of these Ethica sets hung up. We have a lot of the summertime sale stuff. And we still getting the glasses together. But I think we did good for today. This is mostly filled. So now it's just time to promote to get some of the summer stuff out of the way and go inventory shopping for fall and winter stuff. But yeah, last thing I have to do is get my stand put up with my backdrop so that I can start taking some pictures and start taking some pictures and start, you know, promoting on social media, modeling and little skits and stuff that draw attention to my business and my website. It's a few boxes under there and a few more bags under there, but those things have to get logos put on them, so that's why we didn't do that today, but we made good progress. Okay, so my mom decided that while she was helping that she wanted to buy some stuff. So this is all the stuff that she's purchasing. It's a two-piece bathing suit with the pants. I mean, you're not even showing it right. You ain't tell what the skirt go to. The pink skirt that you put in the bag already. So this pink skirt is a cover-up for a bathing suit that she has.
Your signature.
From the Butterfly Garden collection. Two-piece bathing suit with the skirt.
The skirt. This one. This bathing suit. This bathing suit. I didn't get the designs on it, but it's okay.
She wants it customized.
This goes with the two-piece top part and the bottom.
You'll see how it look. I'll insert her pictures from her trip in the vlog. That way you guys can see what it looks like.
I got a jumper. Kamara wanted me to eat this like that. And I most definitely can't wait for these to come in.
My signature jeans.
Yes.
Best seller.
Wait for these to come in.
These jeans, y'all. I'm gonna put a picture up of me in these jeans. These jeans are amazing. And when I tell you that the fabric of them, it stretched so good. Swankaposh ain't got nothing on these jeans, okay?
I can't wait to wear those.
Yes.
Oh, in the dress. I got
In her dress. So cute.
This is what I need to be. That's a small, but I'll take it.
You might need the large.
You think so?
Yeah.
I don't want the large.
Okay. So that's what she got, y'all. And then we have to dispose of all this trash and go back to get the baby.
Because if I get the large, I don't wear tights underneath. Give me the large. You're right. Give me the large. I don't wear the dress or jeans. Gotcha.
Okay, so today I'm going to be making a dressing room / backdrop. I had this idea of taking a backdrop super thick backdrop and some shower curtain things and putting it into my storage unit store. So the roof looks like this. So I'm going to hang this backdrop up there using these shower curtain hooks, and let's see if it works. Okay, so like I said before, I'm going to be taking this huge blackout curtain and using it for a dressing room. I'm going to take some shower curtain hooks and hook it up to the top of the storage unit. I don't know what these things are, and it looks too complicated to figure out, so I'm just going to toss those to the side and just use the shower curtain hooks. This is huge and it's very heavy, so I hope it doesn't tear up that grate or whatever you want to call that thing at the top of the storage unit. It has a lining or opening at the top of it for like a curtain rod. I'm just going to take that part, and that's where I'm going to attach the shower curtain hooks at. Okay, so in this part where the curtain rod will usually go at, I'm just going to fold it in half and make some slits in there for the shower curtain hooks to go in. I'm super left-handed, so I probably look super awkward trying to do this, but yeah. I'm just making them about 1.5 inches apart. I have 48 shower curtain hooks. I hope that's enough, but yeah. So now these shower curtain hooks, I just got them from the dollar store. They come 12 in a pack. I got 2 packs. When I got them, I just got them. I didn't think too much into it. I just hope that they're sturdy enough for what I'm trying to do. I don't want anyone to lean on or tug on this this curtain and it comes down, because I done went cheap on the hooks. But we're gonna try this anyway. I'm gonna put one hook on every one of these holes and attach it to the ceiling. Okay, so I'm gonna say this right now, that maybe standing on top of this stool doing this wasn't the best idea. I still wasn't tall enough, so I had to stretch a little bit, and it was harder than it looks. I have my brother, Mr. Moolah Chaser, spotting me, but he wasn't a good spotter because, yeah. He wanted to take over, but you know me, I want to do everything myself. We got into a little bit of an argument, okay? He's not that much taller than me, so I didn't understand why he was trying to take over my project, okay? This is a DIY, 45. Not a DSY, okay? So here I am, still stretching, still working it out on my own. We are arguing, but yeah, I'm not about to let you take over my project. My neck is hurting at this point, but I'm trying to tucker through it, okay? Irked, just irked. It's not a hard thing to do. It's just when you don't have the arm span, it gets a little frustrating. So yeah, that's what that face was about. Okay, so here is the finished product. I got it all attached to the ceiling. This is what it looks like on the inside. Now, as you can see out, but you can't see in. That might be a little weird for customers, like getting changed, because they think that somebody might be looking at them. But I tried it out and nobody could see me, but I could see them. This is what it looks like from the inside angle up the top. And yeah, we got such a dressing room. Yes. Okay, so now I'm about to try this thing out. I'm gonna put on a CBBC outfit using the new dressing room. We did this like 25 times because I was cheesing so hard, so hype and so Joe to do this, and we just kept laughing. So here goes me trying on these jeans and this shirt from CBC. Check out my website, like, comment, share, subscribe, you know, place an order, and I will shout you out in my next video. I didn't like this outfit with the first glasses, so I tried it on again with another pair of glasses, and voila, here's the look.